And what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage as always. And as you can tell by the thumbnail, we're continuing more maintenance on my new to me 2008 SCION TC. Already got some of the stuff out on the workbench. We're gonna be doing spark plugs, as you guys already know. A couple of tools here which I'll highlight once we get to them. But without further ado, let's jump on the engine bay and get going. First things first, you need to take off your engine cover if you do have your engine cover on there. That's simply done by removing these two 10mm bolts. Then you'll get access to the top of the valve cover, which is where your coil packs are. To take off your coil packs, first disconnect them. There will be little clips right here. Unfortunately, my clips are all broken. So yeah, they come off relatively easy. So I'll take all those spark plug wires off, pull the slack aside, and then we're going to turn our attention to the coil packs themselves. You got one bolt on each coil pack. It's a 10mm bolt. Remove the bolt, set that aside, and then I always like to keep them lined up in orientation as I take them out, just so later on if there ever had any issues I can diagnose the cylinder or the specific coil pack. Bolts off, give it a wiggle, there's one coil pack. So then go ahead and remove all of them. And once you guys have all those coil packs out, you're going to need to get you a 5/8 spark plug socket. It's a special type of socket. And of course, a universal joint. I always recommend universal joints for spark plug installation and removals because it removes the lateral stress, which sometimes could cause your spark plug to crack off into the engine block. So universal joint, about a 6-inch extension, and your socket. So do this one by one. I'm going to start with just one cylinder, one spark plug. I'm going to remove this guy, take it to the bench, examine it, come back with the new one, install that one, then move on to the next one. Over here at the workbench, we now have our old spark plug in our hand, and kind of giving it a quick look over. You can see, looks pretty good. It's got some white deposits, which means it was probably running lean inside the engine. There was some oil up top, which after looking into the engine itself, it looks like I have a valve cover gasket leak, which is unfortunately common for these SCIONs in the 2AZ FE motor. I will fix that eventually. Spark plug looks good. As far as the new ones, I went ahead and went with the OEM Denso Iridiums. Nothing special, just the OEMs. I put a little bit of anti-seize. I like to go with the copper anti-seize for the higher heat applications. Put a little bit on the threads just so we can prevent any seizing in the future. They're already pre-gapped to 0.043 inches or 1.1 millimeters. I went ahead and verified them all, made sure they were good, and indeed they do check out. So now that we have one cylinder open, go ahead and grab a spark plug, take it back to the engine, and we're going to install this guy back in before we remove the rest. Now back at the motor, went ahead and put the spark plug into the tool just so it can hold itself in place once I put it into the engine. So without the use of any tools, just go ahead and set your spark plug in place and start it by hand. It's very important to start it by hand so that you can feel the threads engaging, and that pretty much will eliminate the risk of you cross-threading and damaging the block, damaging the spark plug, and creating a whole bad day. Go ahead and get you a torque wrench. These guys are going to be torqued to 14 foot-pounds. Since I'm using an inch-pound wrench, that's approximately like 165, 168 inch-pounds. So yeah, go ahead and torque this guy into place. And now with that spark plug torqued down and in place, go ahead and take your 4th coil pack, go ahead and shimmy that guy down on there into place, line it up, take your bolt, go ahead and put that in place. Again, start tightening it by hand. Once you guys have that guy tightened down by hand, go ahead and take your torque wrench, and you're going to torque these bolts down to 80 inch-pounds. Just like that. So now pretty much it's just a rinse and repeat process. Go ahead and take out your spark plug, universal joint, take it to the workbench, inspect it if you want to, grab your new spark plug, bring it back, install it, torque it to 14 foot-pounds or 168 inch-pounds, put your coil pack in, torque that bolt down to 80 inch-pounds, and then of course connect your wires. So I'm not going to show that since it's pretty much identical, but let me skip forward to getting all the spark plugs in and all the coil packs in. So we got all of them removed, and as you can see here, they're in okay condition. Definitely getting hot, a little bit burnt up top. As far as the electrode goes, definitely running lean because it does have white deposits, and like I said, probably burning some oil, which once again these 2AZ FEs, especially these years, are infamous for. But nothing alarming. I actually went ahead and took a bore scope to the cylinders to take a look at the pistons and some of the cylinder walls. All looks good, so we're pretty much done there. Back at the car, went ahead and got all the coil packs put right back on. So last but not least, you're simply going to take all your spark plug wires, connect them back up, make sure they click into place. If you do have the clicking connector piece still on there, I do not, but they've held on and they're pretty tight. I'll probably put a little zip tie on them, but we are good to go there. So now that we are back connected up, time to jump into the car, turn it on, make sure it starts and runs good. Yep, there we go. Start it up and idling good. No check engine lights. All looks good. So just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have now completed another project for your SCION TC. Swapped out those spark plugs and you're good to go for another, what, 50, 100,000 miles, however you choose. So as always, we're gonna be moving on to the next part. We have plenty more maintenance items to go for this SCION, as well as a lot more mods for it, in addition to, of course, the G-Zilla and all the other cars in the garage. Thank you again for watching another great video with Everything Abram. I'll check you guys out in the next video soon.